In light of the degree of uncertainty prevailing in the economy and the balance of risks, the MPC has decided that it would be prudent to maintain the current stance of monetary policy at this stage. Accordingly, the repurchase rate remains unchanged at 6.75% per annum.
It was not a surprise that the Reserve Bank kept rates unchanged, the main reasons being the upside risks to the inflation outlook and the weak economic growth environment. Risks to the inflation outlook include the depreciation of the rand exchange rate, the increasing international oil prices, domestic political and policy uncertainty, the ongoing fiscal slippage and rising government debt that are feared could lead to further ratings downgrades.
The big reason why the Reserve Bank decided to keep rates on hold this time is risk to the currency. That is actually the big thing there. If you look at the numbers, inflation is expected to be below 6% for the next 3 years. Their growth forecast has been downgraded to be made sort of lower. In an environment like that, you would usually cut rates, but this time, because of this risk, this policy risk around the rand, so the risk of being downgraded, what is going to happen with the ANC elective conference, the risk of higher oil prices, they have decided at this point that the risk is too high, the rand might weaken quite a bit, which might mean high inflation, so for now they're going to hold on.
Economists believe we are unlikely to see further interest rate cuts in the foreseeable future.
I think there has been little uncertainty as to the direction of where we are in the interest rate cycle, that we have passed the bottom and the move is likely to be higher interest rates, and that with it it's going to bring discomfort to the consumers, to business. You know, you just think of it, on every mortgage, on every car loan, on every other borrowing, there's going to be a higher cost of funding, and to start new loans, to start new business is going to be more expensive, and this is going to mean even more of a slowdown, but it's confirmation, at least we know where we are.
The MPC has raised its economic growth forecast for this year from 0.6% to 0.7%. It has, however, slightly cut growth expectations for 2018 and 2019. Gloria Sefako, SABC News, Johannesburg.